Welcome to our video about healthy snacks to keep you energized throughout the day. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unproductive after snacking on junk food? Look no further. We've got some great options for you today that are sure to satisfy your hunger while also giving you the energy you need to power through your day. Are you always on the go and looking for quick snacks to keep you fueled? Or do you like to snack during the workday? Do you need to find snacks that are both delicious and healthy? Why choose healthy snacks? Eating healthy snacks can be the key to a productive workday. Unlike junk food, healthy snacks are often high in nutrients such as vitamins and fiber and low in sugar and unhealthy fats, making them the perfect snack to keep you energized while promoting good health. The benefits of healthy snacks. Healthy snacks can help keep your energy levels high throughout the day. They can help stave off unhealthy cravings and reduce the likelihood of snacking on junk foods that harm your health. Healthy snacking can boost your intake of important nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. Quick and healthy snacks. You can keep on hand. Here are some healthy snack ideas that you can keep on hand and enjoy when the hunger pangs hit. Fresh fruit and vegetables. Both fresh fruit and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that support good health. Fruits and vegetables also contain fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Pre-cut veggies like carrot sticks, cucumber and celery are easy to pack and bring with you on the go. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of protein and healthy fats, both of which help to keep you feeling full and energized. Some great options include almonds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, cashews, and sunflower seeds. Hummus and cucumber. Hummus is a tasty and protein-packed dip that pairs perfectly with fresh veggies like cucumber. Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar, and when eaten with fresh berries, it makes for a quick snack that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whole grain crackers and cheese. Whole grain crackers with cheese are easy to pack and bring with you when you're on the go. Both crackers and cheese are a great source of protein and fiber, making for a satisfying and healthy snack.